Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view the forgotten Samsung Blockchain Keystore recovery phrase on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Next, to view the recovery phrase, just tap on that. Tap on View Recovery Phrase. Now, so that when you view your recovery phrase, make sure to use your hands to block other people or camera from seeing it. So tap on the View button. And then here, you need to put in your PIN. Not the pin on your home screen, but the pin for your blockchain keystore. And here is the first set of the recovery phrase, and then you can tap on the next button to view the next set, and then press on it again to view the last set of the recovery phrase. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.